The world of cryptocurrency can seem complex. With its intricate jargon, fluctuating values, and advanced technology, it can be intimidating for newcomers. Many people feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and the technical knowledge required to navigate this space. PiNetwork wants to change that. It aims to simplify the process and make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background or financial expertise. Launched by a team of Stanford graduates, PiNetwork offers a simple way to mine cryptocurrency. The founders, with their strong academic and professional backgrounds, have designed a platform that is both user-friendly and innovative. Using a smartphone app, anyone can join the network and start earning PiCoin. This process is straightforward and doesn't require the extensive computational power typically associated with cryptocurrency mining. This accessibility is at the core of PiNetwork's mission. By lowering the barriers to entry, PiNetwork ensures that more people can participate in the cryptocurrency revolution. It aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to a global audience. No matter where you are in the world, you can be part of this growing network. The ease of use is a key factor driving PiNetwork's growing popularity. The app is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for anyone to start mining and using PiCoins. PiNetwork wants to empower individuals. By giving people the tools to mine and use cryptocurrency, it enables them to take control of their financial future. It allows them to participate in the digital economy. This participation is crucial in a world that is increasingly moving towards digital transactions and decentralized finance. This user-centric approach has resonated with millions worldwide. People from all walks of life are joining the network, drawn by its simplicity and potential. The network has attracted a large and active community. This community is not just passive users, but active participants who contribute to the network's growth and development. This strong community is vital to Pi's success. The engagement and collaboration among members help drive the network forward. It fosters engagement and contributes to the network's growth. The more people participate, the stronger and more valuable the network becomes. PiNetwork's commitment to decentralization is another important aspect. Decentralization ensures that the network is not controlled by a single entity, promoting fairness and equality. Decentralization means that no single entity controls the network. This is a fundamental principle of cryptocurrency, ensuring that power is distributed among all participants. This principle is fundamental to the ethos of cryptocurrency. It promotes a more democratic and transparent financial system. It promotes transparency and security. Users can trust that their transactions are secure, and that the network operates with integrity. PiNetwork's focus on these principles is crucial for building trust with its users. Trust is essential for the long-term success of any cryptocurrency. The team behind PiNetwork is actively developing the platform. They are constantly working on new features and improvements to enhance the user experience. This ongoing development ensures that the platform remains competitive and continues to meet the needs of its users. This ongoing development is essential for Pi to stay competitive. In the fast-paced world of technology, continuous innovation is key to staying ahead. It shows a commitment to providing a robust and secure platform. Users can feel confident that their data and transactions are protected. The combination of these factors positions PiNetwork as a potential force in the cryptocurrency space. With its user-friendly approach, strong community, and commitment to decentralization and security, PiNetwork is poised to make a significant impact. PiNetwork's potential for success rests on several key pillars. Foremost among these is its user-friendly approach to mining. Unlike traditional cryptocurrency mining, which requires specialized hardware and technical expertise, PiNetwork allows anyone with a smartphone to participate. This low barrier to entry has been instrumental in attracting millions of users globally. The strength of PiNetwork's community is another major asset. This active and engaged community plays a crucial role in promoting the platform and providing support to new users. The sense of community fosters a shared belief in Pi's potential and contributes to the network's overall growth. Furthermore, the development team behind PiNetwork is committed to building a secure and decentralized platform. They are constantly working on enhancing the security features and ensuring the network remains resistant to attacks. This commitment to security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency, where trust and reliability are essential. The team is also actively developing new features to enhance PiNetwork's functionality and utility. These include the upcoming launch of the open Mainnet, which will allow PiCoin to be traded on exchanges. Additionally, The team is exploring the integration of smart contracts and decentralized applications, or DAPs, which will further expand the possibilities of the PiNetwork ecosystem. A significant development in PiNetwork's journey is the transition to an open mainnet. This transition is not just a technical upgrade, it represents a monumental shift in the network's capabilities and its potential impact on the cryptocurrency landscape. The open mainnet is the gateway to a new era for PiNetwork, where it can operate independently and interact seamlessly with other blockchain networks. This transition marks a crucial step towards PiCoin becoming a fully functional cryptocurrency. It signifies the network's evolution from a closed, controlled environment to an open, decentralized ecosystem. This move is essential for Pi to gain legitimacy and trust within the broader crypto community. An open mainnet will allow Pi to be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. This means that PiCoin holders will have the opportunity to trade their coins on various platforms, increasing liquidity and accessibility. It opens up new avenues for users to engage with the cryptocurrency, making it more versatile and valuable. This will expose Pi to the broader market. Exposure to the open market is crucial for any cryptocurrency aiming for widespread adoption. It allows Pi to be evaluated and utilized by a larger audience, including investors, traders, and everyday users. It will allow users to buy, sell, and trade PiCoin freely. This freedom is a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency ethos, promoting decentralization and user empowerment. Users will have the flexibility to manage their assets as they see fit, without the constraints of a closed network. The introduction of smart contracts is another pivotal step for PiNetwork. Smart contracts bring a new level of functionality and automation to the network, enabling complex transactions and agreements to be executed without the need for intermediaries. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This ensures that transactions are carried out exactly as agreed upon, with no room for error or manipulation. It adds a layer of security and trust to the network. They automate the execution of transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This not only speeds up the process but also reduces costs and potential points of failure. It streamlines operations and makes the network more efficient. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how we conduct business. By removing intermediaries and automating processes, smart contracts can significantly reduce overhead and increase transparency in various industries. It can create more efficient and transparent systems. Transparency is a key benefit of blockchain technology, ensuring that all transactions are visible and verifiable by all parties involved. This can build trust and accountability in business operations. Decentralized applications, or DAPs, are also on PiNetwork's horizon. DAPs leverage the decentralized nature of blockchain to provide services that are not controlled by any single entity, offering greater security and resilience. DAPs are applications built on a blockchain network. They can range from financial services to social media platforms, all operating without a central authority. This decentralization can lead to more innovative and user-centric applications. They leverage the security and transparency of blockchain technology. This makes them particularly suitable for applications where trust and data integrity are paramount, such as in finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. DAPs can range from decentralized finance platforms to supply chain management systems and beyond. The versatility of DAPs means they can be tailored to meet the needs of various industries, driving innovation and efficiency. The integration of smart contracts and DAPs will unlock a wide range of possibilities for PiNetwork. This combination can lead to the creation of complex automated systems that can handle a variety of tasks, from simple transactions to intricate business processes. These developments are attracting attention from both users and investors. The potential for growth and innovation within PiNetwork is drawing interest from those looking to be part of the next big thing in blockchain technology. The open mainnet launch will be a major milestone. It represents the culmination of years of development and the beginning of a new chapter for PiNetwork. This launch is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Pi community. It will signal Pi's readiness to compete in the broader cryptocurrency market. Being part of the open market means Pi will be measured against other established cryptocurrencies, and it will need to prove its value and utility. The introduction of smart contracts and DAPs will further enhance PiNetwork's utility. These features will make the network more versatile and capable of supporting a wide range of applications and services. This will make it more attractive to developers and businesses looking to leverage blockchain technology. The open Mainnet, combined with smart contracts and DAPs, creates a robust platform for innovation and development, positioning PiNetwork as a significant player in the blockchain space. Section 4. PiCoin. What's it worth? The price potential of PiCoin is a subject of much speculation. Enthusiasts and skeptics alike are keenly watching its development, trying to predict its future value. As with any asset, the value of PiCoin is determined by supply and demand. The interplay between these two forces will ultimately dictate its market price. The limited supply of PiCoin, combined with its growing user base, suggests the potential for price appreciation. As more people join the network, the demand for PiCoins could increase, driving up the price. However, other factors will also influence its value. These include technological advancements, market trends, and broader economic conditions. The overall market sentiment towards cryptocurrencies is a significant factor. Positive sentiment can lead to increased investment and higher prices, while negative sentiment can have the opposite effect. Positive sentiment and increased adoption of cryptocurrencies will likely have a positive impact on PiCoin's price. As more businesses and individuals start using PiCoin for transactions, its value could rise. Conversely, negative news or regulatory crackdowns could exert downward pressure. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and any unfavorable regulations could impact PiCoin's value. The listing of PiCoin on major cryptocurrency exchanges will be a critical driver of its value. Exchange listings provide liquidity and make it easier for people to buy and sell PiCoins. Exchange listings provide legitimacy and accessibility to a wider range of investors, potentially leading to increased demand and price appreciation. Being listed on a reputable exchange can also boost investor confidence. The successful implementation and adoption of key features like smart contracts and DAPs will also play a vital role. These features can enhance the functionality and attractiveness of the PiNetwork. These features enhance the utility of PiNetwork, making it more attractive to developers and businesses, and ultimately contributing to its value. A robust ecosystem can drive long-term growth and stability. While some speculate that PiCoin could reach astronomical prices, it is essential to approach such predictions with caution. The cryptocurrency market is highly unpredictable and many factors can influence prices. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and the future price of any cryptocurrency is inherently uncertain. Investors should be prepared for significant price swings and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Section 5. Enabling real-world use. A crucial aspect of PiNetwork's future success lies in its ability to facilitate real-world use cases. The development team is working on creating a secure and seamless withdrawal process. This will allow users to convert their PiCoins into other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency. Enabling withdrawals is essential for PiCoin to be used for everyday transactions. Users need to be able to spend their PiCoins at merchants or transfer them to other individuals. A smooth and reliable withdrawal process will be key to achieving this goal. The development team is also exploring partnerships with businesses and service providers. These partnerships would allow users to spend their PiCoins directly at participating merchants. Integrating PiNetwork into existing payment systems could significantly boost its real-world adoption. Furthermore, the team is fostering the development of a decentralized application ecosystem within PiNetwork. DAPs can offer a wide range of services, from financial tools to gaming and social networking. A thriving DAP ecosystem would provide more utility for PiCoin and attract a broader user base.